Yo, wake up. Let's go.
What you want, it may take you years to find out. You don't know what you need, something that may never come to you.
So disconnected. Everyone
We made it to the parking lot. We're on our way to the waterfall now. Let's go.
So we don't get too close. I'm different now. Oh.
We finally made it. It's insane. We are all done at the waterfall now. It ended up insane. It got a little crowded towards the end, but we stuck around. We had plenty of time to do whatever we wanted. We ended up kind of pushing ourselves, challenging ourselves. I've never done a double front flip, neither has Hunter. Hunter struggles, we both struggle with just doing one front flip. I think we both got comfortable with it.
Oh yeah.
We pushed ourselves. We started trying double front flips, which was something that I've never done, neither of us have ever done.
Nope.
And in the end, I think I ended up doing it perfectly on the last attempt after 3 fails though. I had to overcome it a little bit. Hunter still attempted it like twice or something like that.
Yeah, 3 times, and my body's red, my chest is sore, I can't breathe, but it was worth it.
And so, I mean, in the end, we're totally exhausted now, but it's kind of turned out like a kind of inspirational day. Just, you know, overcoming fears, something that we've never done at a place we've never been to. We ended up making a couple new friends as well. It all ended up perfect. So we're on our way back now. Got a drive ahead of us, not sure what's next, but I'll catch you guys on the
Everyone in their phones, we are infected, so we don't get too close. I'm different now.
We found this perfect spot for sunset. We climbed this mountain and now we're overlooking the whole city and all the surrounding mountains. It is pretty incredible. Take a look. After a beautiful evening in Sedona, it was a long drive home and back to reality the next day. It was another fun day and successful adventure. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.